Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how we can to find a Wi-Fi password. What I mean is how to find the Wi-Fi password is currently we connected to. Like sometime we go to an place, university or another department, and there is Wi-Fi available and people also connected to it. So how we can to find a password from their mobile and computers, like and sometime we can connect to print hotspots. So how to find the password and we can to connect more devices to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's start at this time I am connected to my wireless Wi-Fi, okay, like this one. So now I want to find the password of this Wi-Fi. Press Windows and R key together, and after this just type ncpa.cpl ncpa.cpl. Okay, press enter. Here we have two options. Either need the second one is Wi-Fi. Right click on Wi-Fi and select the third option, status. And here select wireless properties. And here just click on second one, security. And just click on show characters. And this is password of my Wi-Fi. By this way we can to find the password of Wi-Fi we are currently connected to it, or our friends are currently connected to it. Thank you for watching.